Okay, I'm just
Do I
gonna...
have contacts in?
I don't know.
Okay.
Where did I put... Oh, the drill's over there.
Over
You
there.
know the thing over there? The drill? I need the battery off of it.
The battery? I think
Yeah.
I took the battery off. I don't know what my hair looks like behind, so...
Behind?
I didn't want to ask for help, so I just did it myself. Amaya he,
Right.
Amaya ho,
Here's...
Amaya ho ho.
Which one is that?
This battery?
Yeah, no. The one on the black drill over there by the printer.
Oh, be right back. It will be.
Well, yeah, no.
Yeah.
That one's that side. This one's that side.
Does it just
Okay.
pop off?
What?
It's not coming off.
Okay, just bring it over here.
This one's heavier. See? Wasn't that one right there?
That one's dead.
Oh, that would make sense.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get paper towels now. Half of our time out here is just going to grab stuff.
Sorry.
It's okay. We should just have all this with champagne. So taking what? That stuff over here to clean?
Yeah, just spray it like on the towel though.
Yeah.
And just clean.
And wipe it.
Yeah.
All right here where the gasket's gonna go?
The whole surface. Just need to get all the dust off.
Tell you to listen up, my butts, babe. Getting this off the hill.
Use some brake clean too on the last just to get any residue off.
Brake clean. Oh, I don't like brake clean.
No,
clean.
just spray it in the paper towel.
Okay. Should we brake clean now?
Yeah, just spray it onto the paper towel.
Can't mix chemicals. Something smells like gas.
No. It's probably just the gear oil.
Can't have another paper towel. Oh, thank you. Brake clean! Is that good, you think? More?
Yeah, just enough to...
Woo-hoo-hoo! Brake clean! Brake clean! If you know, you know. Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Summon Ricky Bobby! I saw you! Ricky Bobby! Woo! I think that's pretty good. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Okay, let's get to it then.
Okay. I missed.
That's okay. It happens.
All right. You want to put the head gaskets on?
Maybe not that way.
That way.
Ooh, it's so nice. Nice and new.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're going to have to move over.
Why? You're carrying something super giant? I remember when I moved those by myself. It hurt.
I came on, I was like, you move those?
It hurt really bad. Just tell me what to do.
Okay. Are you ready, kids?
Are you ready, kids?
All right. We are installing ARP head bolts. So...
AARP? AAR...
The torque specs can be different on ARP versus stock head bolts, so you make sure you read the insert that comes with them. For example, Pontiac's generally are 95 foot-pounds, and ARP wants 100 foot-pounds. We need to put their assembly lube on the threads and like in between these, because this needs to go onto here. And see how there's a bevel in there?
Yeah.
So that needs to sit up.
Bevel up.
Underneath the head part there.
Okay.
Of the boat.
All right, so should I just start doing all these?
Yeah, so here, I'll show you on one. So you're going to do a little bit on this side. It's coming out all weird, so that's fine. Don't need much. A little bit there, a little bit on here. Start at the bottom of the threads and then just work it around.
I almost said like we do with Pyrex.
Pyrex?
What's that stuff called? Permatex. But I almost said Pyrex.
Which?
Like how with Permatex you put it on there. The threads. Never mind.
Oh, the anti-seize?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Permatex makes lots of stuff.
It's their company.
Permatex is the... You know the RTV we were just using the other day for the oil pan?
Yeah.
That's made by Permatex too. So yeah.
But I almost said Permatex. I almost said Pyrex instead of the Permatex stuff. You know what? You build your engine yourself. No, I'm just kidding. Can I help?
Yeah. You can hold the flashlight. So just get a little bit on there.
And up here.
Yeah, and up here. Caught it. You got Spidey skills. And then, where'd that washer go?
Right here.
And like that.
Okay.
And then...
Are these all the same?
The washers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the bolts have different lengths.
I'm doing about a teaspoon.
You don't measure nothing when you cook. I like how you don't measure anything when you cook, and then when I cook, you're like, did you measure it?
Well, I don't use as much oil and butter as you. So
I don't either.
I feel like you do.
No.
So then I'm like, wait, is this like a lot of butter?
No.
Does it make sense I'm laying it that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
That way I know.
Yeah. Yeah, why?
Yeah, why?
You better sleep with one eye open. I know you touch my drumstick. This stuff smells.
10 years. I like it. It's nice.
I think I stopped putting them sideways for you. Sorry.
I don't care. I can look and see which one doesn't have a washer on it. I use my eyeballs. I didn't put my contacts in today, but I can still use my eyeballs. I looked at it and I had a headache this morning when I woke up, and I was like, nah.
You did?
Yeah.
That sucks. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It went away after I had coffee.
Under caffeinated.
Yeah.
Happens.
Ooh,
to
I
all
want
of us.
coffee now.
Sounds like a car.
No! I drop it.
That was me yesterday. I was dropping everything. I couldn't say anything right. It was horrible. Now I passed it to you. It's like Freaky Friday.
What? We didn't switch bodies.
Or did we?
No, because if we... Never mind.
You just gotta learn. Learn.
What?
I don't know. No, we switched back.
You thought you were fine.
But actually, no.
Actually.
Oh,
And
there's
then-
4 because this is the whole set, but
Yeah.
we're only doing one set at a time.
Yeah.
Light the bulb.
Okay, and then we're going to torque 50, 75, and then 100. And we have to follow the pattern, which is 1, 2... I don't remember if it's which direction it's 3, 4. I don't think it really
We
matters.
just gotta go one step at a time because I'm not gonna remember all this. So far, I have 2 shorties here.
Okay.
That's all I got.
Okay. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. How's
Hey,
it
you
going?
ready?
Yeah.
You want to do this?
Wait, what is it to?
50 first?
50? I can handle 50. Pull it towards me, right?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Here we go. I'm gonna torque. Twice?
No,
Or
that's
that's
good.
good. Okay.
Now do this one.
Okay. Is it on there? To 50?
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Oh, geez. I'm scared. I always get so scared.
Huh?
Okay.
Now do this one.
I might have to. Oh. It's gonna hit, isn't it?
Do you need a longer one?
No,
Or
it's
you can ratchet it, you know. You can go back the other
It
direction.
clicked.
Okay. Now do this one.
Get on there. Here we go. Oh, that one's really loose.
Yep.
Hey.
Touched your hand. Now do this one. Or I'm sorry, do this one. Now do this one. Now do this one. Now this one.
This is fun.
Now, get out that one.
Oh, I got it. Wait, why isn't it? Ow! Ow! It bit me!
It bit me, Charlie.
Ow! I'm gonna cry. Ow! This one, right?
Mm-hmm.
You will be mine. I'm surprised I'm not bleeding. It like pinched in there. That hurt. Ew. Oh, sorry.
Last one.
Ow.
Nice.
Now I know why they call it a muscle car.
All right. Let's up this.
Ow. Son of a nutcracker.
Do you remember the sequence? Yeah, I didn't even remember the sequence. I have to keep looking at my phone.
Yes.
Did you do this one?
Yeah.
Oh, I just jammed my fingernail. That
This
one.
one?
Yeah. This one. This one. This one.
You're definitely going to have to do the 95 or 90, whatever it is.
100.
Yeah. It's all you, baby. I got it from after this. It's all yours.
This one. This one.